Hey, remember me?
Dr. Kaufman?
No, Dr. Coffman's dead. I'm Dr. Pepper.
What do you want?
5 years ago, we were working together to unlock the secrets of the potential, and one scene ruined it all.
I don't know what's going on. This experiment is not working. The muscle tissue is completely unchanged. I'm lost. I don't know. We're missing something.
Well, check out these readouts. It's just not matching up. You see this part, they don't fucking match.
I don't know.
You know what? We just need to step away. Let's just step away. I'm gonna break for lunch.
All right, I'll catch up with you in a minute.
All right.
What do you got?
I got Pop-Tarts, man. They suck. They need pepper.
Okay. Look, man, I don't want any trouble here.
But you were revenge. You ruined my dinner that day.
Dinner? I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it, man.
Oh, you'll pay for it.
What's that?
Pepper!
No!
Oh!